Hello friends, now I will show you how to make basic banner with Google App Designer. So let's start. I'm going to the Google App Designer. I'll start from scratch, create new files. First of all, need to save like basic banner. Then we need to name basic banner. Size will be the same, and this will be Google Ads. Then now I'll make the banner. First of all, I will add the title. Just new offer. This will be title. Then I will go to the formatting. Uh, this will be the heading one. Okay. Now again I will add the another text. If you buy this product, then you will get 10% discount. This will be not heading. Make sure the alignment. Now I'll just add the CTA button. First next to the background. CTA background color will be. I just use the dummy purpose. CTA text will be buy now. Text color will be white. I think now looks good. And font okay. The banner design is complete. Now if you want to the click text, then I will apply and button. You need to go to the component, then select the tab area, then size will be same up now, then go to the add event, mouse, click, come, then need to add click tag. Now on it, there just add the click, storage, add, and just add the URL. Alright, like google.com. Now I'll just add the animation, like add the insert keyframe, also insert keyframe, all element would be insert keyframe. Okay. All elements come from outside of the panel. Okay. Then I'll add the ending keyframe. Then every element will come as the previous. Now just I'll change the timing. Play the banner. Check the preview. Accuracy. Listen. That's it. So thank you for the watching, and please like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.